is in the living room getting ready to watch the game. We're in the back here in the kitchen doing all the dirty work, right,
We're doing
boys?
the dirty work, guys.
Chef Mark, Chef Jeff, we're going to make some chili. Tell people why we picked chili.
You know what? Because chili, in my opinion, is so versatile. You know, you can take chili and we can turn it into 5 or 6 different things, or 30 different things. You know, so we're going to do this chili today. It's a vegan chili, so we can, you know, appeal to some of our friends that have vegan dietary needs, and it's going to be gluten-free as well. But then we can turn it into, as for meat lovers, into other chili.
Okay, awesome. A lot of tastes out there that we're going to make sure everybody's satisfied. Are you ready to do some cooking?
I'm ready to do some cooking.
Little brother,
He's got his spoon, he's ready to go. We're making the chili first, right?
We're making the chili first. So we're going to lay down a little olive oil in the pan, nice hot pan, big pot, because we're going to make chili because we want it to last, because chili's always better the second day.
It's true.
So we're going to lay down some red peppers, some green peppers, and some roasted poblano peppers. Just going to stir that. Some diced red onion.
Right on.
So we're going to start, what we're doing with chili is it's building layers of flavors is the biggest thing when you're talking about chili. So we're going to add some cumin, some ground cumin, very earthy in the flavor profile there. We're going to add some chili powder, give it that chili flavor, obviously. Then we're going to add some ancho chili powder, give it another layer of flavor, that smoked chili from Mexico. All right? We're going to put down some paprika, a little bit of hot sauce, and Jeff is going to stir that down. Now, with this vegan chili, it's all about the beans, so because we need a lot of protein. We're going to put black beans, any kind of beans you want. Butter beans, kidney beans, some white beans or cannellini beans, whatever you like. We have to have diced tomatoes, so we're going to add diced tomatoes.
Oh, nice.
And we're going to add a little bit of tomato puree. Jeff, you want to get a little bit of tomato puree in there? You want to add the rest of the beans?
All right, here, let me ask a survey question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hottest, how hot do you like your chili, Jeff?
I'm about an 8.5.
You're an 8. How about you,
Oh,
Mark?
Jeff's going 8.5. I'm going 5.5.
Okay.
8.5.
All
I'm going
right.
5.5. How about you, Mike?
I'm in the 5 range, too.
Yeah,
I mean,
5.5.
I don't mind breaking a sweat a little bit when I eat, but, you know, I don't want to have to towel off.
So what we're going to do is we're developing these layers of flavors. We're going to add some salt, some pepper. We're going to let this simmer down for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
And that's all you really need because you have great ingredients. When you use great ingredients, you don't have to cook them as long.
Little cayenne there, guys.
Yeah, we're going to kick it up with a little bit of cayenne pepper. But
Going
we're
toward
only,
the 8, isn't it?
just going to take us the 8.
No,
But the thing about chili is
I took you to about 7.
I like to go to that 5 because then I have all these great hot sauces on my chili bar.
You can always add more.
They can always kick it up there.
Gotcha. All right. So you work on the chili. Mark and I will do a toast to the chili. 'cause,
Yeah,
you know,
here, guys.
We're ready for a big game.
Big
and
game.
Then we'll come back and show you just how versatile chili can be, as Chef Mark just told us.
And 2 and 1. Hey, Mike Case.
We have the display out, and people are building some
Everybody
things.
is going crazy
Some
on
of
this.
them more conventional than others. Tell them what you got on the spread, Mark, before we
Well,
start.
first off, you know, with the vegan chili, you know, we have some friends that have some vegan dietary needs, so they can take this and they can take and make a vegan chili over there.
All right.
And they
Come
have
back around
a
this way
lot of vegan cheeses you can do. We have nachos. You can build your own nachos. You know, you have a great brioche bun here for your hot dog. You can do a chili dog. As my brother just went through the line, he's making it, and my wife, they made killer baked potatoes. So we've just done 5 different dishes with chili, and you can do 25 more. So what I love about having everybody over for game day is being able to spread the love with some chili. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's good stuff. Now here's
But it
one.
doesn't matter who wins.
So over here, you know,
After a while,
with the
everybody's
chili.
on.
Now, my brother being the pro that he is, he's over here. He's building his baked potato. He's got chili. He crushed up some nacho chips on top of there. He's got a massive amount of jalapenos. Jeff, I think you should do a couple goldfish while you're at it.
Just icing on the weird cake.
A lot of people, there's always the one guy that doesn't use the spoon at the party. That's him.
But this is what
There you
tailgating's
go.
all about. Everybody, you know, we're getting ready for some big games coming up.
Yeah.
Halloween's coming up, so we have some great holidays, and it's a lot of good time to have family over, friends over, celebrate, and chili is just that super comfortable tailgate food.
And it's good all day. Like
It's
you can
good
have a
all
little
day.
bit before the game,
Oh, God,
a little
absolutely.
bit at halftime.
And after.
That's right.
And if you had a little bit too much to drink, maybe around midnight. Maybe around midnight.
There you go.
For that late night
it up.
snack.
Is this chili on the menu? At
This
the
chili
bistro?
is on the menu at Bistro 1907. We featured the vegan 4-bean chili. And, you know, we televise all the football games from Youngstown State to Ohio State to any of your favorite pro teams. So we have a good time down there, and you can get some great beers, some great appetizers. The wings are off the chain, and we just have a lot of fun.
Cheers, you guys.
Cheers, you guys, everybody.
Well done, everybody.
Cheers.
Good luck to your teams this year.
Go Penguins.
Thank you, Kansas.
Go Penguins.
Thank you, Kansas.